I'm making a bake with me video, so put on your pants, wash your fingers, and get ready to make some banana nut muffins with me. Welcome back to my channel. This is weird, I'm filming in my kitchen. Also, if you hear anything going on in the background, that is my mother watching her Asian soap operas downstairs. So, I found this recipe online. It's from My Darling Vegan. I will link the recipe and everything down below in the description box if you want to also make this recipe. But it calls for vegan butter and non-dairy milk, or a plant-based milk. And I don't have either of those, so I'm not going to use any butter. And I'm just going to use water. So we're going to see how these turn out. Woo! Let's bake! Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spray or line muffin holders, a muffin pan, and set inside is 7. I'm going to set this to 350. In a large bowl, combine the flour, baking soda, cinnamon, and salt. So here I have my dad's handy dandy Farberware. Calls for 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. Our measuring cups are dirty, so I got the handy dandy mason jar. Oh, also the recipe calls for 4 ripe bananas, but I only have 3, so make do with that. We're just modifying everything today, huh? Okay, pour that bad boy in. Oh yeah, 1 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda. That's about 1. And then how do you measure a 3/4?
6 hours later.
This is 1/4. So 3 of these little bad boys. That's math. A 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon is so good. And then a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm scared. Oh. Yeah! In another bowl, mash bananas with a fork. Add the melted butter, which we won't do because we don't have. Both sugars, milk, also don't have, and vanilla. Then it says whisk to combine. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer this into a separate bowl. Cool. Got the bananas. A 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. I just feel like it's going to be like super sugary. I don't know. So I asked Amada and Lolo, who are my sisters, if you're new to this channel, if they wanted to help me make this video, and they both said no. 1/2 cup. Then a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Is that a 4th? Yeah, just about. I'm making a mess. A 1/4 cup of good old H2O. A teaspoon of vanilla extract. I wish I had questions that I could answer while I'm making this, but I don't. So I'm just gonna talk and see whatever comes out. Hopefully it's not embarrassing. On Friday I had my success breakfast for finishing L&D, which is basically learning and development at ERA, and it was so much fun. I got a couple of awards, which is really cool because I didn't think we were gonna get recognized for certain things. Ah, no, go back! I just lost the recipe. Okay. Now we're gonna whisk this slowly. Now it says to add in our dry ingredients. So this beautiful mixture is gonna go into that beautiful mixture. I'm gonna put in a little bit at a time so that the batter doesn't get too crazy.
2,000 years later.
You wanna be my video?
Yeah, why not?
Mwah. Can I have a hug too?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's so weird.
After we incorporated all of the flour in there, the next ingredient, can you read that for me? It says number 5.
Fold in 3 1/4 cup of a walnut.
3/4 is up to the 3rd line.
So right here?
Yeah. Do these fun ones.
Okay,
Someone stop moving the freaking camera! Okay, zoom in. Alright, so we're gonna line the cupcake tin with 5 of these. Actually, just kidding, they're 4. Lolo also put in 5 of these black ones. They're just normal black ones.
Into
Which one do you want to do next?
this.
Okay, show them. Alright, so we've switched positions.
Hello?
So while Lolo's doing that, I'm gonna clean up. Okay, now we filled up all of the muffin liners. Okay, so now we're gonna put it in the oven. You wanna put it in the oven?
Just it.
Okay, I'll do this. And then we're gonna let them bake, I think, for 20 to 25 minutes. And I already cleaned up the kitchen, so that's awesome. Now I just gotta clean up the dishes and eat the rest of the batter. Thank you.
No problem.
It's been about 22 minutes. Some of they literally look beautiful. Wow. It's been about like 24 minutes. I wanted to wait 30 minutes until they're completely cooled, but Samada wants to eat it now, so.
Mmm.
Are they good?
Yeah, they're good.
Wowza. That's what I call a muffin. If you guys liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, 2 thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below. Every Monday I post a video. I also have my other links down below too, to my Instagram and my podcast, if you want to check that out as well. But thank you guys so much for listening, and watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. This was fun.
Okay, bye.
Cool. Thanks. Bye.